Al Boomerang.
Al Boomerang menguana, ba esa banderera.
Sherera Julia Rodriguez.
Ba NRM dia poco abe.
I'm the Director General and I'm also an English teacher, though I'm not teaching now.
More ni boka tu bere English ni eme. Where did you study English? How did you get it?
Well, I went to the American School of Asuncion, so I learned English at school.
Ba esa ni penu arambe boy how. What's the beginning of this school?
Well, there's a group of people who form a foundation, and they have a dream of offering excellent education to kids, to poor kids, right? And that's what they're doing here.
Sherera Alfredo Paniagua, hendu kata pete inkulirera. Apakah buku kupepawa apakah buku.
Bouma onye penu hawe kwa boy how. How long is it going on?
This is the second year. We're finishing the second year.
Ba epene pe huputu seva ko abe tuisha beba. What's the main objective here?
We want these kids coming from very poor families to have a university education when they have the age for that.
Sherera Juan Riquelme, hendu kata pete inkulirera. Apakah bebetan mitaka hata.
Depiko mowa.
She Paraguaua.
How did you get into contact to this foundation?
Well, actually they called me once on the phone. I was a teacher at that time. For 15 years I was teaching English and they offered me the job. Somebody talked to them about me.
Upeo he seko apeo je purua be English. That means English is used here too.
Yes, we're starting English with the little kids, of course.
How about the percentage used here with the languages Spanish, Guarani, and English? Is it divided or it depends on the teachers?
It depends on the teachers. I mean, Spanish is more spoken because of the program, and then we have these Guarani classes where they speak only in Guarani, and then they have their English classes where they try to speak in English. They're starting to speak in English.
Sherera Erika Ramirez, amonya tapete inkulirera. Tatane kanena kane kara kuru.
Al Boomerang.
Right now we have little kids up till 3rd grade, but the project is for a high school education also, primary and high school education also. And there is a dream, who knows, of opening a university for these kids and other kids that want to study with us.
Sherera Jose Luis Pastore, hendu kata pete inkulirera. Ambere ojere yuro ojere ambere.
Ba esa pe yo ayuda Chile wandibe. How was the contact done with Chile?
That contact was made with the foundation prior to my job here. I mean, they talked before I knew about this project.
Ba esa re niña do ko tembia pobe ende.
Well, this is a wonderful project. I was a student of the American School of Asuncion, a very expensive school. I taught for many years in private expensive schools. So this is the first time that I'm working with poor people, and I know we can make a difference in their lives. Even though they maybe they don't have money or other material things, they can learn, and that's very important for me.
Talking about the the material that is needed for high efficiency, do you think you have all you need here?
Well, we don't have all we need, but we have a lot. Comparing to many institutions, we have a lot, and the foundation is very willing to give us everything we need. I mean, not things we don't need, things we really need.
Are you willing to trilingual student in the future, maybe?
That's one of my goals, trilingual students. Definitely.
Ba nene biandu ko angapebe.
What I want to say is that when I was in Chile for many times, I went to Chile lately, and I learned there and I saw there that it doesn't depend on the school, on the quality of the building or the materials, how the students are at the end. It depends on the teachers. At the school that we were, the school was very poor talking about materials, but the teachers were so good, the students were the best in the country. So it depends on the teacher. If the teachers are good, students are always good.
Bumarane.
Ay, Bumarane me guarda, esa panderera.
Sherera Graciela Brandel, Sheha Embo Ejara, Ombo Eva Guarani, Arambepe.
De ñe en día que era guaranime.
Añe es de cuera Guaranime, se ambo es supercuera oñe es hanwa Guaranime. Ha ambo es supercuera ay purupeñe es Guarani, ambo es hanwa supercuera Guaranime. Oñembo es Guaranime, oñemo aranduji cuainda hay hoja sajanwante ambo embo es rupe. Oñemo aranduji cuai Guaranime, oñemongueta cuajanwa hapisha cuerandive Guaranime, hoy puru hanwa hicuai ñe Guarani, oñemo aranduve hanwa, ha oñemongueta hanwa hapisha cuerandive.
Serera Arturo Escobar. Ahendu kata peteñe potu. Ara potu. Agua ahora potura pero pura he. Serera en Samuel ahendu kata peteñe potu. Muejara. De rupi sheranu ay kwa heta mae. Ha oiga porandu. Amojo vai papuae. Heta oseka tupuru. Koape hamumuru. Mamá shirando jara pero eso.
Vais a haber ahí por gente que era guaraní, menderembo ella ve guaraní tera mantere ahí hoy.
Ambo ella ve super cuera Guarani, ha vei a yo juro gente ve cuera pe ocaru piumiva, Guarani me añe super cuera, ha cuera ombo jovai se ve Guarani me ave.
Umiambo embo jaracuera y puru castellano.
Umiambo embo jaracuera hoy puro España ñe cuai uñe hanga super cuera.
Jaja, cuera joga pemba hoy puru castellano tera guaraní.
Jogape hoy puru veji cuai castellano. O imita oñe eva boimo coñe m, ha o imita hoy puru va castellano añonte. Jaco ape hoy puru mante banaje cuai guaraní, ha oñe ha ambaite hi cuai ha osen super cuera hoy puru hi cuai.
Dai pori peisa mita cuña y tera mita hasea petera oñe y enteba hoy guaranime.
O imita no ñe iete va boy guaraní. Umibandi heta veromba apo y katu hamaisa hoy puru hi cuai ñe en guaraní, ha hoy puru ma hi cuai ojo.
Serera Carolina Moreno, ahendu kata petei ñepotu. She nunguera. Como con ñepotu, allá pope me guara, ay potape mumura con ñepotu. Da yo fui pe shawa, mamove kuanga pebe. Ay amano pebe, ñepotu pe pombo yegua.
Al Bumarane.
Jacuera y combate cope ñe potu he hangwa.
Hape ñe potu he hangwa, he ikuri umi mitanguera. Hasu beba su pepe hoy puru guaraní no ñe te guaraní me. Umiba kuri umi ñe potu he iba ekwe oñembo sako ipora hi kwai he hangwa. Ha he ihi kwai ikatu hangwa o he sakwa hi kwai ikatu ha hoy puru ñe guaraní.
Hatu va hasun dive ndemba epeñe.
O ya voñe mongueta sendive hi kwai roñe añe eso pe cuera castellano pe ikatu hangwa so hoy kumbu pora hi kwai ba esa pa hoy putu mota y membu cuera pe.
Hoy tú vas a hacer oñe iba guaranime.
Hoy tú vas a hacer noñe iba guaranime, hakatu umiba o userenda pe porandu se bemba esa pa ikatu hoy putu moja de cuera y membu cuera pe ikatu hangwa esa ikatu purube guarani.
Serera Atia Serera ahendu kata petei ñepotu. O pepe pere re y pepo hoy pete. Serera Argentina, ahendu kata petei ñerera. Umbo piririta pitika pi imoroti. Serera Jasmine Servin, shejaeta petei ñerera. Upe opepe.
Al Bumarane.
Va a petein va hoy coa coapea voy a jawaran be pendo y coiba pero pilla ecuava.
Ikatu ya a escuela o uko ape pujare después orambusa yo a okaru asaya vei escuela oye me eso escuela la hoy pote beba mi alimento porama oreko avei kuape ore huerta
Oñemitỹ hikuái.
oñemitỹ hikuái oguerekoteĩ mbo'ehára ombo'éva chupekuéra mba'éichapa oñemitỹ'arã hetáma ojapo hikuái roguereko avei codornices ho'u avei la codorniz rupi'a ha umícha mba'éla roipurúva'erã orehegui niguínte.
Ha tekotevẽrõ ojahu hikuái hi'ãchi.
Ojahu la Vikotevẽrõ. Umi ndoguerekóiva hógape oukuápe ha oñembojahu'ai la Vikotevẽrõ.
Oĩpiko ndoguerekóiva y hógape.
Oĩ ndaha'éi la heta sa'i oĩ avei la Vikotevẽva ndoguerekóiva hógape Exacto, muy bien. Ndoguerekói ha, bueno, oukuápe ha sin problema ojahu hikuái.
Mba'e nembovy'avéva ko mbo'ehaópe.
Che la chembovy'áva la ajapo che ajapokuaa ha ajaposéva. Che aime porã ko'ápe.
Serera Julio Zárate, ahendukata peteĩ ñe'ẽrãity. Serera Sofía Sorbén, ahendukata peteĩ ñe'ẽrãity. Burapytã'i, jauke besito ñemopete. Burapytã'i, ajapandere roneroguataite. Serera Samuel Armoa, ahendukata peteĩ ñe'ẽrãity. Serera Carolina Moreno, ahendukata peteĩ ñe'ẽrãity. Tapiti Mórico, tapiti saite, kokoñaporã chemarãite. Tapiti Mórico, tapiti saite, ko'arérõ, ikatiete. Tía, bogada ahendukata peteĩ kuñererã. Serera Nair Díaz, ahendukata peteĩ ñe'ẽrãity. Sombrero piri, sombrero paraco, kuñaporã chemotarõva. Sombrero piri, sombrero para, bolsillo grande, chemotarõva.